Thanks, Pat. Try to stay warm.
4-Dog Night, okay. Well, if you were one of the tens of millions who watched the Rose Parade yesterday, you probably saw the float that I rode on, if you can believe this. If you missed me, there's a pretty good reason for it, though.
The reason was, I rode on the float weeks ago, when it was still a shell of wire and wood. Dozens of volunteers, as well as paid staffers, spend many weekends before the big parade day preparing the intricate floats for the characters and the princesses who will ride on them. Leslie Foxvogue orders flowers for 11 floats made by festival artists. How many flowers does it take to cover those floats?
As far as the total, we're ordering about, over 500,000 different flowers this year.
There are 3 basic qualifications for being a Rose Parade princess. 1, you have to have brains, and of course you have to have beauty. And thirdly, you can't be allergic to these. You're going to be around these for quite some time. And 2 ladies who qualify on all 3 counts. We have Princess Julianne and Princess Carrie. Hello, ladies.
Hello.
And here I have some lovely little awards for you. Be careful, they've got thorns in them. I mean, you've got to smile for 3 hours. That has got to be more work than most people are used to. Is there something you do to prepare for that?
Well, we do have lessons, and we are taught how to keep our smiles.
You have, like, exercises or something?
Yes, we do.
Oh, this I got to see. Come on, show me. What exercises do you go through? Now, they also teach you to wave, right?
Definitely. Yes.
What are there systems of waving or what?
There are basically 2 waves that we do, and one is called washing the window, and it's something like that. And another one's called screwing the light bulb, and it's like that.
And are these the only 2 that are allowed?
No, I
you
think
can have the pet the dog, you know.
Despite lessons from experts, I'll never make the grade, but I talked to some people with better prospects.
Do you know how to do all the princess things?
Yeah.
Do you? Like the big princess smile?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. That's it. With a giggle and everything. That's great. That's very good. I like that. Love those teeth. Can you do the princess wave? Can you do that for 8 hours?
Yesterday, as you saw the floats moving down Colorado Boulevard, you might have forgotten that underneath all that beauty is a motor vehicle. Motor Trend magazine tests motor vehicles, so it sent its executive editor, Jack Nerad, out to test drive a float. What kind of performance are you looking for from this machine?
Well, we're going to see if it can break 10 miles an hour. I think that's the performance basis for this kind of vehicle.
Well, I hear it can do like 0 to 50 in about a week or something.
Yeah, I think it's a little over a week. I brought my calendar with me to time this. This will be the most expensive car I've ever driven, however.
Is that right?
Yeah, absolutely, because this is about $250,000 piece.
It's got to be a handling dream, too, I would think.
I think the turning radius is about Nebraska.
Next, I took a turn at the wheel.
Oh, it steers like a dream. We did, too. What do you think of my driving?
Well, let me quote a professional. Motor Trend's editor Jack Nerad sent us this. He says, as to Bob's driving, I think he ought to give serious consideration to taking the bus.
It would probably be more economical. I think it's about 2 feet to the gallon.
Well, at least you wouldn't get a speeding ticket driving it.
I did, but that's another
no.
installment in this whole wonderful thing, yeah.
Well, coming right up, a wonderful television journalist brightens our weekend, Jack Perkins. As a veteran news commentator, Jack has made predictions for the new year.
And some entertainment suggestions for the weekend. It's right after these messages. Stay with us.